the rain in the background. All in the eye of the camera. It's very similar to how when you watch sports on television, they tell you they're called a game due to rain, but you never see the rain. You just see the splashing, the footsteps they're making as they cross the field. Oh no, that's too much rain. We got a flash flood.
Oh my God.
Oh my. Okay, I want to apologize. Anyone saying what to make that wet? I had no idea this was going to happen. But don't worry, if you're sitting on the right, your turn's coming. Yeah, not now, but soon. Here's how it appeared in Big Fat Liar with Frankie Muniz, Amanda Bynes, Paul Giamatti. We simply released 41,000 gallons of water on cue. Lady Gaga stood in that flood at 16 kilos in her Judas music video. On your left is 6 Points Texas.